So name the definition for yourself a little bit. You don't have to name it out loud. I'm seeing this person as. I'm seeing this person like. But you're really looking and not seeing. So if you want to see, you have to give the autonomic nervous system the chance to behave the way it's designed to behave. You can't, we've trained the autonomic nervous system, we trained most of the systems in the body. We have trained them to behave the way we think they should behave unconsciously through our patterns of use. So this time when you look at people, you're looking at the same people, the whole crowd, group. The moment you sense yourself defining, just withhold, continuing to define, and then see what happens to each person you see. Because that's the person you want to touch. That's the person you want to touch. Now notice the different change of energy in the room. It's completely different. It's more open, it's more available. If you did that and practice it through your life, when a person comes in to see you, or when you meet somebody new, you're going to get more of who they are. So now, let's do this with touch. So, even though you're not practicing this at all,
I have
you can
no
still
idea
touch
what I'm
another
doing.
person. You can touch another person.